I just received my hair dryer brush here, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it comes with two different brush heads, which is good for shorter hair and longer hair. To remove the brush head, you push the button down right here or so, and you can change it, and this is what it looks like. So this is the smaller one, and then this is the bigger one. I'm gonna use the smaller one for today, and you push it down, and you hear a click. It has a high, low, cool off feature. So I have this hair here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what it does. So I'm going to put it on high because this hair is kind of wet, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is this. And so you hear the dryer feature, which is good. Hot air, but there is a cool feature. And this here will go left or right. So what I'm going to do is show you guys what it looks like so. And you just brush it through. And what I'll do is I will post a picture so you can see the end results of me drying the hair, but this is how it works.
Got my hair pretty straight. That side with a little volume. I don't like is that sometimes when you go to do it without it, this thing will turn. This little thing right here turns. But you gotta learn which way to go. That's the only thing with these buttons. Other than that, it's straight and straight. Don't get stuck.